Hey guys, so today this is going to be like a really quick video. I just wanted to show you. I was just kind of scrolling around, and I saw this. I'm going to make the very first part really short, at least, and then after that, I'll tell you a little bit more about something off the topic. But I wanted to let you know I have found this video here for beginners. Uh, if you're looking to like learn more about AI, this was a really good, or learn more about stable diffusion, how it works. This was a really good video. They don't speak English. It's all it sounds like a computer animated, but it was done or AI generated voice, but it was done really well. Everything in here was really well. They talked about VAEs or whatever. They talked about models. He even talked about, or they, I don't want to say he, talked about like where to get models, how to do LoRa's. It's about Krita diffusion. And that was why I originally clicked on it, and then it was like, oh wow, well they're going into like a deep dive of it. It's about 31 minutes long, but if you're new to Krita and you're new to Stable Diffusion, and you're thinking I kind of want to get into it. I have my computer that I want to use with it. This was really good just to get like a base understanding. So I wanted to make the video and kind of point it out. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know how to say this name. Nodonmai. I don't know how to say that name. I'm gonna say it like that. Nodonmai. Nodonmai. I don't know, but if you ever see this, this was a really good video. I really like this video a lot. Like, I knew most of it already. There were parts of it that I didn't know, and I was like, wow, that kind of surprised me. But I knew most of it already just because I've been messing with this for like a few years. Actually, I'm kind of surprised I haven't learned more than I'm supposed to. My friend Apollonius, who's great, and who always tries to help me out and stuff like that. But I know that it can be really hard going through. There's a lot of people with a lot of information. You don't know what's going on. This was really good. This was really good. He did say something about Vase, and he had like downloads here or something for him. They're on the Civet side. I don't know those. I've never downloaded any of those. I'm always weary about stuff that I haven't downloaded yet. But check them out. Do your research on that part. But as far as the what they were saying in here, this was a really good video. Only 740 views. I'm kind of surprised on that. It was 157 or only 157 subscribers. I'm usually pretty good. I'm usually really good at being able to look at a channel and being like, hey, you know what? This channel's gonna do really good. The only thing I see maybe holding this person back is that it's an AI generated voice, but the voice was done really good. So I'm like, I don't think most people are gonna care. If you're looking to get into stable diffusion, I don't think you're the type of person that's gonna care about that, as long as what they're telling you is good. I think this channel is going to do really good. I think this is going to be another AI entrepreneurs. I knew the moment I saw that dude's channel, I was like, yeah, this is going to blow up. Olivio, of course, Olivio's been doing things since AI the Infinity Photo. Oh, I don't want to show I'm working on an image right there. He's, and you know, AI entrepreneur had other channels too. But I knew those channels were going to do really good. MapVid Pro, when I saw his, Nerdy wrote it. I was actually really surprised. Kind of. I shouldn't say really. I was kind of surprised that he didn't blow up way faster. But when he first started, he was teaching everybody about Linux. And I already know that once you're going into like Linux territory, your viewer base is kind of shortened. So I was like, but he had, man, if you go back and you look at like Nerdy Rodent's first videos, he was so funny. And he had like everything down. Like, if he would have been doing video like Windows tutorials right away, he would be easily like blowing everybody out of the water. He had some top videos there. Very funny, very good. Olivia was really good. All these creators were really good. I'm not trying to say anything bad. Even Stefan, what was his name? Do I still have him up? No, I don't. SE Courses, very smart guy here. Very nice, very nice. If you jump into his what do you call it, the oh, let me put myself down a little bit. There you go. If you jump into his Discord, always willing to help you. This guy's great, Dr. Furkan. Very great, very nice guy. I love this guy to death. That's the one thing I love about us. Uh, the Stable Diffusion community is that like everybody here is so great. They're so nice. They're usually willing to help. But this one here, I can tell this channel. If they keep making videos, it's gonna blow up. It's gonna do very well. I did kind of look here. There's only 4 videos, but it's been going on since for 8 months. Uh, I haven't watched the other ones yet. I just saw this one, and I don't know. The video is really good. I want to point it out for you people to take a look at, especially if you're getting into just now getting into Stable Diffusion, and you wanna play around, and you want to be like, how do I start? Where do I start? Okay. Now that's this part. I also wanted to go and like I was gonna make a video yesterday. I was gonna make a tutorial, not a tutorial. A random just make a picture, make an image, and I was gonna make an image, and what do you call it? Just shoot the shit. Just talk and shoot the shit and like gab around with you guys. For 2 hours. 2 hours I sat there and I made like I went through Infinity Photo. I did all this stuff, and then I looked and I didn't hit the record button. And I was like, oh crap. But that was just to get out of Infinity Photo. And then after I got a Infinity Photo, I was like, well, I'll just start the video now, and I'll run it through. I'll run everything through Invoke, and I'll make that video. That video took 2 hours, so it would have been like a 4 hour long video if I would have gotten all of it together. I've been messing around with my audio settings though, and then after I made the whole thing, and I threw it to the audio settings, I was sitting there listening to it, and like there were parts of it that were starting to sound like a robot. There were parts of it that would just cut off, and my voice would like just cut. And I was just like, damn, I didn't do the filters right. I don't know what happened when I was watching the video, but for some reason the video just wasn't coming out very well. So I had to go. I had to just script that whole thing. I did want to show you guys the picture that I did, though. I thought it came out really good. Let's see. I thought it came out really good. It was kind of like an alien, but what I was shooting for was like an alien Jesus in a box. But I also wanted to have like the universe outside of the painting as well as the inside of the painting. But yeah, I thought this was kind of cool. Kind of like alien Jesus, in space, and then like the box is kind of like a border universe square thing. I like the image. I put it up on my little Twitter thing. But yeah, that's what I was doing. Now, I was gonna make another video tonight, but a friend of mine kind of made some lures. I kind of want to check those out and test those. We're also talking about like Civet. Let's see. We're talking about Civet AI. I don't know. We're talking about like how like my thing is we're talking about like how hard it is to I like this image a lot too. This image was really good. We're talking about like how hard it is to find good models. How a lot of the models on there like we're not even talking about like the way that they perform. I mean the way that they look. We're just talking about like a lot of the models out there like perform very badly, and they're still getting like a lot of likes, and they're still getting like a lot of like downloads and stuff. And I don't know. I kind of think like I kind of think it's like kind of like my thing. Like let me see. Let me make sure. Nope. See, I got all this on. I got to take all that off whenever I do something. I kind of think of like whenever I find a model and I'm like, hey, you know what? Like let's say I was gonna look at this. See, damn, this little pony thing here. I tried pony out. I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get it for me. Maybe everybody else is having fun with it. I tried it and I didn't try it for very long. I need to give it a lot more try. I haven't stopped trying it. Just the pony thing isn't working for me. One of the trigger words for one of the lures I downloaded for it had pony in it. So no matter everything I was doing, all this pony stuff kept coming out. I hate pony. I hate My Little Pony. If you like it, hey, you know what? Much love to you. I know when I was watching the video, Allie said that she loved it, and I was just like, hey, you know what? Much love to you, but hey, I don't like My Little Pony. That's not my thing. That's not my groove or whatever. But okay, say here. Say I like this, which I kind of do actually. This actually does look very interesting. Like I don't want to lose this. I don't want to lose this. I can tell you right now, I don't want to lose this. I'm not just saying that just for the video. I just clicked on it on random. I wasn't even paying attention, but yeah, this looks cool. I'm looking at these here. Like this one doesn't really look that good to me. This one looks actually cool. I kind of like that. Click on the thing, dude. Like some of these look like really cool. I can tell this might be a good lure. I want to try this later. So what I do is I come and I click the like button so that it'll get stuck in my favorite liked models. That doesn't mean that like I don't feel like it should get likes because I wish there was another way. Like I know that if I open up this, like maybe there's a way I can just have like Civet AI models. Which, oh crap, my chicken's done. I'll get it in a little bit. It'll wait in there. But I could make a folder here, and like just put a bunch of models in here, but like I don't check that as much anymore. It's easier for me to just go to my little like models thing here, and be like, okay, now I'm just gonna search through all of these. Uh, I feel like there should be like another tab. But I don't know. I'm working on something like that because I kind of think I can understand what they're saying. Hey, you know what? You know these models, they got like a bunch of likes, they got a bunch of downloads, but are they really the models aren't that good? Like, are people just liking them because they're putting it in their like models and they're not actually keeping them? My friend, I have a friend on here, and he doesn't have any like models. He has like two, and that's because he downloads them and then he doesn't even push the like button. And I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Like, I mean, if you like the model, at least click the like button so you know where to go. That he's just someone that sticks with just two bottles, and I'm like, okay, whatever. And he doesn't even use lures. We used to play around with lures all the time. Now he doesn't touch lures at all. Uh, I don't know. I honestly he's my best friend, but I have a feeling that he's just gonna stop playing around with a stable diffusion for a while until like a big change comes. I think ST3 kind of I don't know. I don't know. I think ST3 kind of broke his spirits. I don't want to say anything though. I think it did. I think it got it disappointed a lot of people with the license, with the quality and stuff like that. Like we want to play with this on our computers. We don't want to have to go to like a color or whatever else and use it. But I don't want to make this video too long. I think it's already going on like 21 minutes or a minute, 13 minutes or something. I really can't see the clock from over here. It's on a screen way from my bed. But yeah, that's my thing. Maybe we need another tab, guys. I'm gonna bring up some qualities. Like I keep trying to make it to the office hours so I can talk, but I work during those hours. Like every time I see like the thing pop up in Discord, hey, we're going into office hours. I'm like, great, I'm on the phone right now. I can't go in there. I can't speak with you guys. It's like I can't so. I really love it that they put it on Discord. I mean, they put it on YouTube, so I can go by and watch them later. I don't know. Is she on live? Is she live? If you guys are really trying to get like hot things for like Krita, like say you're getting into the Krita diffusion and you want to learn like just certain tools and stuff like that, just call me insane. I'll put her link up on there too. She does great tutorials. Like I've been watching her like ever since I got Krita diffusion with my last computer, or Krita with my last computer. Great tutorials. She does great tutorials. She's a really good artist as well. Right now she's working on her own comic book. Um, she's not too much into the AI thing. I wouldn't go in there and ask her like AI questions because she doesn't use it at all. Well, from what I know, from what I understand, she doesn't use it. But she's not an AI hater. But she does do great videos. She does do great videos, great tutorials. If you're wanting to learn more about like how do I do this on Krita or yeah, she does great videos. Great person to check out. I'll go ahead and I'll put her thing in there. Uh, ooh, fruit, oatmeal fruit. That sounds kind of good. But anyways, I just wanted to. Oh, I pushed the wrong thing. I just wanted to send you guys some of this information that I found. Um, anyways, I also wanted to say, go out, be nice to somebody. It really makes your day going. I just went through like a hurricane yesterday and today. It knocked the power out for most of the day. My phone's still not working. I don't know what's going on. I've been trying to text people, call people. My phone's not working. I'm fine. My apartment was fine, other than us not having any power for a while. But like my phone isn't working very well. Anyways, what I wanted to say was let's go out. Be nice to people. Because it really does help. The other day, I was having a really bad day at work. It was really shitty. I got this call from this old lady like right before I left. I got this call, and this old lady was like really nice. She was really sweet. It was the last call of the day, and it like completely changed my mood. It completely made me happy. Um, uh, you know, Look at yourself and be like, hey, you know what? That's the kind of influence I want to have on the world. I want people to be like, hey, you know what? I like this person because you know what, they change my mood around. They go off, and I want to be like that. I want to go off and I want to change people's mood around. Lex Friedman. A lot of the reasons why I'm trying to be as nice as people as I can is because I watch Lex Friedman, not as much as I should, but I like or I used to at least. But he's such a nice guy. Lex Friedman really is a nice guy. Okay, Apple. I'll get on there in a little bit. He really is a nice guy, and like my friend Apple, my friend Apollonius, he's a really nice guy, and I used to be kind of a jerk online, because I thought it was funny. I thought it was funny to troll people, it's funny when they know you're joking, when it's your friends. Like my friends love me to death because I'm a complete total asshole to them, and they think it's just so fucking funny, but they know I'm joking. They know I'm playing around with them. When you're online and you're okay, Apo. When you're online and you're talking to people, and they're they don't know you're playing around. They don't know you're joking. You're making jokes and shit. And really, what you're doing is you're just kind of making the world a worse place. But if you try and inspire people, like I don't know, try and be like Lex Friedman. He's a nice guy. My friend Apollonius, they're nice guys. That's what I'm trying to be like. I'm trying to be a lot nicer and a lot. I don't want to be an asshole anymore. I don't want to, anyways, go out, be nice to people. You guys have a good night. I didn't want to let you know about this dude here or this person here.